Hello, students. Nice to see you again. Let's get to work. We're doing another hanger problem. I should say balanced hanger problem. Remember that the hanger represents an equation. Because it is perfectly balanced, all the items on the left side equal the weight of the items on the right side. Write a simplified equation for this hanger. Okay, let's do it. Let's say that a triangle equals z, a circle equals y, and a square equals x. Now I'll just go ahead and fill out all of these. Square is x, circle is y. Okay, now can we write an equation? Sure we can. Look at the left side and write the terms on the left side first. We have z plus y plus x plus y on the left side. And that is equal to x plus x plus x plus x plus x, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 x's. Oops, I have one too many. That should be a y. Plus, and then finally an x. Now this equation is not very helpful. Let's simplify this equation by combining like terms. On the left side, we have a z plus 3y plus 1x. And on the right side of this equation, we have 5x plus y. We can simplify this even more. Remember that if you subtract equal weights from both sides, the hanger stays in balance. So I see that we can subtract a circle from each side and the hanger stays in balance. We can subtract a square from each side and the hanger stays in balance. Well, we need to do that with our equation too. So on the left side, we subtracted an x and we subtracted a y. On the right side, we did exactly the same, subtract an x and a y. Subtracting equal weights from both sides of the hanger does not change the equation. It stays in balance. And now we can write our equivalent expression. So I'm just subtracting the x and the y. Let me show this a little bit better, actually. All right, so I'm subtracting an x. Here's a positive x. And when I subtract an x, x minus x equals 0 x's. 3y minus a y, that's going to equal 2 y's. So on the left-hand side of my equation, z plus 2y. And that makes sense. That's what you have here, z plus 2y. And on the right-hand side of the equation, 5x minus x equals 4x. Y minus y, well, that equals 0y. Now let me type in my equation really nicely. Z plus 2y equals 4x. Excellent job. The next question says, if a triangle weighs 2 grams and a circle weighs 3 grams, how much does a square weigh? Okay, we'll look back at our equation here. We have triangle plus 2 circles equals 4 squares. And that's exactly what we have in our equation here too. So we can do the math and get this. Okay, a triangle equals 2 grams. So the Z equals 2. Circle weighs 3 grams. So the 2y, that actually equals 2 times 3. And you can use parentheses for multiplication. Hold on a minute. That 3 looks really messy. There we go. Let me rewrite that. My smart board's kind of messing up. Hold on. Okay. I'm really going to get it right this time. 2 times 3. That's what I want. Equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, 4 squares. And the squares are x. Now, to get the weight of the squares, we have to solve for x. Let me rewrite this equation over here where I have a little more space. 2 plus 2 times 3, that equals 8. 2 plus 2 times 3 equals 8. And then on the right side of the equation, we still have 4x. So I rewrote this equation over here as 8 equals 4x. Those are equivalent equations. To solve for the x, I could use a tape diagram. 8 equals 4 times something. And here's how you can use a tape diagram to solve this. X, 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 x. Now all of this must be equal to 8. So what would it be such that 4 of them equals 8? Oh yes, it must be 2. Okay, you got it. Good job, guys. So now you know a square must be equal to 2 grams. Good going, guys. See you later.